Yeah. Yeah, I had a bunch of stuff on that. It was a mess. Hmm. Oh my god, okay. Yeah. So, this, see, chasing it there was bad. This one here, it was better to wait for that pullback. That's the 5 minute. Even if it's for a little bit, every little bit counts. That's the pullback. So we could still get filled here. Now I'm going to do a little precision trading. I'm going to drop these by hand. I want to buy right there. 15 pip stop to make, like, that's a 3K. And we're going to try to make, right, so these are all singles. Clustered, this is 2K here. So right up against it. Not buying at the market, but this nice top bottom setup, right? That's your classic 5 minute setup. Top becomes a bottom. So you buy. I don't know what's wrong with this. I can't stream. I have nothing open. And I just hear bullshit, cracks, pops, audio. Okay, so we're going to ride the storm out here. Short the yen. Long the euro. I guess that's just the way it sounded. Now we're waiting for, is there news coming out at 8? Doesn't look like there's much news at all, is there? Okay. It's Wednesday. $8.15, non-farm unemployment. That should be drama. So I'm in the market ahead of the news here. So you have a chance to get out right at the last minute if you want. But it looks like they're going to pop that up. A lot of the times it'll go up into the news. So here's the half-hour charts. Okay, let me get these guys queued up a little bit. In the same time frame there. Stacked. It's not a mirror image, but it's close enough. It's about the dollar. We're up 20 pips off the top of that. So like this one here, the news is coming out. I'd probably put some buy limits in there for fun. You gotta have fun. Here, 15 pips deep. Another 15 pip deep. Here's 25. Now in the yen, you need to buy really deep because this thing could just go through the floor. So I'm going to put some through the floor trades in here. So these are double clicks. They're already pre-programmed to just do this. But I could see it, you know, the amount of volatility in the yen is possible for them to just go spiking down there and grab those tickets. All right. There's a 1 hour chart. Oh, there's your trusty moving average. I think I threw it on here just for, yeah, so that, you know, here's the perfect entry. Like, here's the perfect setup, right? But frankly, I don't have time to wait for these setups. Like, I get it, right? Look at moving average. Look, get in here. Oh. All right, but like I said, what about What about selling this insane bullshit trade rally? What about just buying here because of the vacuum fill, right? You're already in. Sure, it does this, but I've already built a position long. I make more money than you because if you're just waiting for a pull trigger on one stupid setup, then yeah, it's a joke. I think only because I've seen it so many times. I just like, oh yeah, I could. Let me see. I get in here and I put my stop. Yeah, right. That's what you do. Of course, the empowered trading people are like, yeah, this is about education. We're not going to show you how to trade. It's just empowered trading, empowered losing. Okay. Now I see what you're saying. Yeah. Pretty bad. Wow. Buffer my own stream. I'm about ready to give up on the stream. At least when you do a video, you know it's kind of going in the can. And when you publish it, you're like, yeah, there you go. I don't know. I have to probably change the settings in OBS. Like I said, I don't really like. I don't do this much, so I don't care. I don't care. News in 13 minutes to news. Yeah, that's weird.